Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into the world of AI and no-code tools that can help you create a stunning, high-value website effortlessly. Imagine building a $15,000 website without writing a single line of code. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's get started. The website revolution is here. What if I told you that you could create a website worth $15,000 without writing a single line of code? No coding boot camps, no expensive developers, just pure AI-powered no-code magic. In today's video, I'm revealing 7 rare high-profit no-code and AI tools that will help you build professional, high-value websites effortlessly, and make huge profits while doing it. If you've ever wanted to start an online business, a service-based website, or a digital empire, this is your golden ticket. Let's dive in. Durable, the AI website builder that creates sites in 30 seconds. Durable is an AI-powered no-code website builder that generates fully functional websites in under a minute. Perfect for freelancers, small businesses, and entrepreneurs, it takes care of design, content, and even SEO for you. Profit potential: charge $500 to $5,000 per site for quick turnaround website building services. Rare use case: offer AI-generated websites to local businesses with monthly updates and maintenance packages. Why it's powerful: AI writes content, picks designs, and customizes everything without you lifting a finger. Expansion: you can scale this service into a full-fledged web agency by offering tiered pricing models, upselling SEO packages, and creating niche-specific websites for industries like real estate, healthcare, or e-commerce. Framer, AI-powered, custom no-code websites that feel coded. Framer combines the ease of no-code with high-end design customization. It's ideal for those who want AI-assisted websites that look and feel premium. Profit potential: sell stunning AI-generated sites for $2,000 to $15,000 each. Rare use case: build AI-powered portfolio websites for artists, musicians, and influencers. Why it's powerful: unlike other no-code builders, Framer allows for seriously customized animations, interactions, and responsive design. Expansion: use Framer to create high-end templates and sell them on digital marketplaces like ThemeForest or Creative Market. Additionally, offer redesign services to existing website owners looking to upgrade their outdated sites. 10 Web AI that auto-clones high-value websites. Want to duplicate a successful website's structure instantly? 10 Web's AI assistant allows you to replicate top-tier website layouts in WordPress with AI-powered automation. Profit potential: offer custom website duplication services for $3,000 to $12,000 per site. Rare use case: approach e-commerce store owners and offer to rebuild their site with speed optimization and AI enhancements. Why it's powerful: AI copies entire sites and improves them in minutes. Expansion: use this tool to build niche affiliate websites by replicating profitable structures and monetizing with ads, sponsorships, or digital product sales. Mixo, the AI startup launcher for automated landing pages. Mixo helps startups and entrepreneurs launch AI-powered landing pages in seconds. It auto-generates engaging copy, call to actions, and designs without any manual input. Profit potential: sell AI-powered landing page creation services for $1,000 to $5,000 per client. Rare use case: create pre-launch waitlists for new digital products and charge per lead. Why it's powerful: it auto-optimizes for conversions and A/B tests your copy so you don't have to. Expansion: launch a membership-based service where clients subscribe to receive monthly landing page optimizations and new AI-generated marketing content. Don't forget to smash that like button. If you're loving these rare AI tools, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down below. vidIQ, the AI business website builder with auto SEO optimization. vidIQ is a no-code AI-powered tool that builds high-ranking business websites in under 5 minutes. Profit potential: offer AI-built SEO-optimized websites for $3,000 to $10,000 per project. Rare use case: build AI-driven local service directories and charge businesses to be listed. Why it's powerful: SEO is built in, which means higher Google rankings from day one. Expansion: create AI-driven content hubs by automating blog content with AI, then monetizing the site through affiliate marketing or ad placements. TeleportQ AI that turns hand-drawn sketches into websites. Imagine sketching a website design on paper and AI converting it into a fully functional website. That's exactly what vidIQ does. Profit potential. Sell custom AI-powered web designs for $5,000 to $15,000 per site. Rare use case. Work with artists, designers, or branding agencies to convert sketches into high-value digital assets. Why it's powerful. AI eliminates the need for design tools, just draw and launch. Expansion. Launch an AI-assisted web design studio where clients submit sketches and you deliver high-quality AI-converted websites. B12 AI that builds client-generating business websites. B12 specializes in AI-assisted websites for service-based businesses. It creates automated workflows that help companies get clients faster. Profit potential. Offer AI-powered lead generation sites for $3,000 to $10,000 each. Rare use case. Sell AI-integrated booking or consultation sites for lawyers, consultants, and coaches. Why it's powerful. AI helps businesses attract and close more clients. Expansion. Develop a subscription-based service where businesses pay a monthly fee for AI-driven client acquisition and marketing automation. Your $15,000 website empire starts today. With these rare and powerful AI plus no-code tools, you have everything you need to create websites worth $15,000 or more, without hiring developers or touching a single line of code. Which of these tools are you most excited about? Drop a comment below, and let's talk. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.